Hello everyone, this is Varstrom e-bike. Today I'm here to show how to install Tongsheng TSDZ16 mid-drive motor. Here is a list of all the parts that need to be installed, and the TSDZ16 motor, the display, and the brake cutoff sensors. Here is the cable connection graph for the TSDZ16. Pause for a screenshot. Assemble the chainring cover set with cross screwdriver. An M4 self-tapping screw.
Installing the bottom support frame.
Put the motor into the bottom bracket. Assemble the bottom support frame. Before assembling the stiffening plate, we should pre-attach the stiffening plate screws and washers. If bottom bracket washers were used previously, then prefer longer stiffening plate screws in this step. Please notice the direction and position of stiffening plate. Then we can assemble the stiffening plate on the motor. Assemble the bottom bracket lock nut. Pyron the bottom bracket lock nut. Assemble the bottom bracket lock nut cover by using bottom bracket nut wrench. Before installing the cranks, make sure the direction is consistent with the direction marked on it. Assemble the crank by using MA Talon key. Switch to the other side to install the crank. Screw the protective mudguard under the motor. Unlocking the battery plate with the battery key. Mounting the battery plate to the bike frame. Only the down tube battery mount is shown here.
Mounting the battery on the battery plate and locked with the key.
TX60 conversion cable to connect the XT60. Female connector of the battery. Connecting the 1T4 cable to the motor. Screw the magnet on the spoke. Adjust the flat side of magnet toe face with the arrow on the sensor. Use cable tie to lock the speed depth sensor on the chainstay. Make sure keep distance between the speed detect sensor and the magnet about 10 to 15 millimeters.
Bar grips, brake handle, and thumb throttle in turn and secure them. Connecting thumb throttle and 1T4 cable, securing display and display controller with screws. Connecting display cable and 1T4 cable. Stick the brake sensors on the hydraulic brake levers. Video example of brake sensors installation. Stick the magnet to one side of the 3M double-sided sticker and stick the other side next to the speed sensor. Install brake sensor on the other side in the same way. Separate the two brake sensors and 1T4 cable connection. Use screws to attach the headlight to the front of the bike. Video example of fork brace mounting.
Connect the headlight cable. At the end, please long press the plus button on the display controller to switch on the headlights. After confirming that the battery switch is switched on, and test the motor is working properly. If you having any issues, please contact us in our website, www.varstrom.com.